Yes, my beautiful people, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. This is Galz Fusion, the show where young girls come together to share ideas, talents, energies. I'm your host, Peto, alongside my co-host, Diane.
That's right, Peto. How has been the week?
Banange. This week, the days are moving so fast. I don't know what's going on. Thank you.
Yeah, don't forget to always watch the Galz Fusion every Friday at 2 p.m. on Ankole Media. We shall be giving you issues faced by girls, challenges faced by girls every Friday with Peto and Diane. But mainly, we shall look at unemployment among the youth today.
Nimbazanye tekombijere nyonye nkanyereba na sister banze ndeba banywani banze ndeba the girls around Mbalala banange. This is just, how can I say it?
How do you say it?
What are the motives? What is going on in the country? Why is Uganda moving backward instead of moving forward? What is behind this trend? Diane, girls doesn't want to work.
Exactly. Why don't girls want to work?
Girls doesn't want to work. They want nice things. They want to look nice. They want expensive things, but they don't want to work.
And people's money, moreover.
And you guys don't forget that this show is sponsored by NKORE Media and Food Mart.
So oja Food Mart oyefunire byo
kurya. Yes, Diane. Manya mwe kutogwa ntakare.
Sponsored by Food Mart.
What are the motives why girls are unemployed around Uganda? According to me, Diane, our parents are the problems.
Exactly. They are our problems. Actually, no shanga omwana because of parents.
Because you're home. You have all the needs, you have food, they provide you clothes, you're educated, they don't want you to leave home.
Getting to end up quiz here in Galz Fusion hosted by Diana and Peto every Friday
at 2
p.m. Then shongendije kulemeka bisho mulimbara kufune mirumo no kwemanya ekimama omweto omwepango oshanga umwichayi no murumo konka nagureba nkabusha
tubakwenda kuza streets.
Exactly.
Nareba kusika chips ninke kintu cyo kuzana.
Wena yenda go murumo go office.
Nareba ngo kwara ho twenda tubiri nareba ngo okwata nkemena kaliteka amabega nareba ngo okuza muhanda kabuza abantu no yenda takubasa kuzanka omukakashika makaro kankendiro nkeje
iwabisha bawe abaryokwe
naye nangweno nezeheze bezibonire. But they don't want to work.
Another thing that is causing unemployment in Uganda today, no kushanga government yonga it's not providing jobs to these girls.
True.
Omuchashomire aine bachelor's yeye, ninga aine degree yeye, aine diploma yeye, aine certificate yeye konka government.
Ati Uganda ya hatari mune banke unkombi ntabyira. No maybe ntabyira
Okushanga hatari ho.
Okotira kureba ngo abishi just tachuba kureba bakakubara is that marriage.
Exactly.
Marriage, only marriage. When you're married, that is your ending. You're going to keep in marriage. Then let the man work.
Of which in early marriages at 10 years, at 11 years, no shango mushoko mcharo mbyaro nkokwe za bushenyi bariomba forcing to get married.
Diane.
Because they are unemployed.
Next thing, our friends.
Peer pressure.
They don't want to. Our friends. You people no mujana meeting abantu. Oyina munywana arukusika chips. Oyina munywana arukozya S1 za hotel. Noza kufunota muntu arukora office.
Omuntu nkogwe taka advising ngo
we don't have connections.
Primary nkejo oshome. So bantu get good friends.
We don't have friends. We don't have connections. And the next thing, our friends are jealousy.
Our dear parents advising omwana w'omwishi. Omwana w'omusho advising atayine kutambura chiro, omwana w'omutayine kunywana abasigazi bamukizire, omwana w'omwishi mbajamwe
abasigazi Sigasi.
Sigasi kaba mazira habishoko mbyaro.
Can man hatu Diana hatu. So you mean you don't have your boys as friends?
No, I have my boys that are my friends. Konkanimba hando linganta. Turiyo tugamba abishyo buto bwashunibera ine myaka 15 ayinoshije ro myaka 23 ngani mbamba tensaki.
So you mean the sugar daddies are also the reasons why girls don't want to work
beyond 30 years? No mwana w'emyaka 10 nibamba discussing ati. No, whatever that age bracket is really different.
Anyway, guys, we are trying to make a research why young girls are unemployed around Uganda. What is behind this trend?
B2 in Galz Fusion nereba buraka tano shamunana.
Omhelaza wende peto na mnyani wanje Diane.
Let us come back. Stay tuned. Muza muna Galz Fusion buraka tano shamunana Ankole Media. So hati tuenda gamba no basakora chi.
What could be the possible solutions to fight against unemployment?
Exactly. Turiyo tugamba omushogo ryo kwatine mu rumono basa kumuhabura chinki ukurebwa yatandukana.
We have our hands. We can make our own skills. Girls, my for girls, let's not sleep. The boss won't find you in your bed.
Omushogo ryo petanduko kore crafts. Tanduko kore mu kitogwa crafts.
Mwe muchati za street, mwe muchati zo mbetale. Tandika haka small business ka.
Tanduko sike chips
avocado, guza fruits.
Tambuza avocado, tambuza dodo. Abishimwimuke mutandike.
Entura, ena mentala kuzura musente.
Makuzuna zirebwe.
Bana mwe chokuswazana. Kusango ryaho otine chokwe gasra. Oriyaho rinzire ngo bakuretere
kandi
ine mikono yawe. Let's create our own things. Let's have connections.
Ababana bokushanga ko mu P7 nyuwe sente zaburambu abazire barembere kunsho bisa mushituwerga yoko mcharo. People here on the street they didn't even
go to mcharo. What do you mean? Even if you're in the village kandikora zireto mtown tandukora kendira bataba mutare batahiba wone biza
actually me had a mentality ntaba bishabo ko bari street baguza chips.
You think banging town mean that you should be having money?
Actually those girls have
a lot of girls are suffering. Let me tell you, Diane, a lot of girls are suffering around this town. You're just seeing happy faces. You don't know what is behind them. Girls are here suffering. Girls in the village, they are better than us.
Exactly. Kandi manyeshe ndabantu kubakuzo mu town babanka za karori baremi yaye embuyo kutandika bakakora. You see this street
nansi nareba tsikiza cyabaho whoever reaches in town bumuntu ena ko muri mbarana na yereba munka superstar celeb emibintu ngegicira mbiteka hansi bantu mwe nabesengereza
mureke kwereba nkaki abishyi bari okuntu bayayana ni baronde mirimo kandi ngo bine supposed to be doing serious business.
Our dressing style is not giving.
Omuntu nakureba ko murimo konkareba damage yoju yajamwe nko kuni muhumurimo
ajango gutarigaza podium nargo wa mama timo mbara. Someone go respect. Let's try to give ourselves respect.
A job. Present yourself. Ijoju ireje jware kote jo jware taye jo
jware taye chiringwa. Let's give ourselves respect and other people will respect us. Thank you so much for attending us.
B2 Ankole Media behind our cameras. Twine Food Mart at sponsoring kwijaha kandi turi aha Food Mart right now niho turi tukora our beautiful video mwebare
kana takayebwa edition bane baho buraka tano shamnana neshekazi hangwe. It's a weekend.